it's time to call it quits. The kitchen tap is broken. Drip, 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 drip. Dirty dishes in the sink. We've been laying here for weeks, weeks, weeks. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we started off. Now we're just like, think it's time to call it quit. Think it's time to call it.
Take me back to Mexico. That Cancun sun would turn the sun. We're high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico. That Cancun sun would turn the sun. You were high on me, wanted to vibe with me.
Such a bliss. That is something I will miss, 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 miss. How do you feel for one more kiss? Loving you was such a bliss, bliss, bliss. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we started.
Hasta aquí el video, gracias por verlo. Siempre se me olvida hacer una despedida en el momento de la rodada, entonces pues hago siempre estos videos ya después. Pero de todos modos, gracias por ver el video. Sé que luego no subo constantemente. Cada vez que subo un video es porque me gusta pues el tema del contenido que estoy subiendo, me llama la atención, siento que vale la pena. Entonces pues nada, muchas gracias por ver el video y pues ahí de vez en cuando trataré de subir más videos. Nos vemos.